What is going on, guys? I hope everyone is having an absolutely fantastic day. Today's been a pretty good day. We definitely saw some continuation in the market. I did not make any trades today, sadly. I did not execute. Volume was a little bit weird. There were some kind of choppy plays. I wasn't liking it that much, and then stocks like I think it was AITS, or we'll get into it in a sec, but it was up already 250%. I didn't want to get into it because we haven't really seen any gappers that go up over 250% in the recent market, and I didn't want to get in at the top and at the peak. So let's get into it.
Backbone.
Okay, now you guys are seeing my screen. Let me check, make sure we're good. All right, sweet. Okay, so as you can see right here, dang, that sucks. Okay, AETI, I actually was looking to get into this now after it broke out of this bull pennant we got forming here, but obviously it was a fail. We started breaking down right here, like literally right now we're breaking down, so that sucks. Most likely no trades unless we start recovering and come back in here. Maybe I'll think about making a trade, but we have broke the trend. So, but anyways, let's get into it. So I was watching this pre-market. I was liking it. It was looking super consistent. As you guys can see, we're making higher highs and higher lows beautifully. I mean, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Like this looks like from here to here, this looks like a very stereotypical stock market chart, just making higher highs and higher lows, going up and down, and I loved that. Like that was super cool. I don't really see that much, and this just looked like a great play. But as you can see, we came up. I wasn't looking to get in here because I knew we were gonna probably come up and tap this price level. As you can see, we had some very strong resistance there, but then we started trending down, and I was like, okay, I'll set an alert for when it gets back above this price level here at around 123. No, around 116. So I did that. As you can see, we started curling back up, and we had a nice little breakout here to 153. So a nice little that could have been a 50% profit. So that's extremely nice. I wasn't liking it that much. It was just looking a little bit weird. As you could see, the volume was kind of fading. I didn't like that, but then we started coming back in around here, and as you could see, we were starting to increase. But yeah, we just kept going up and up and up, and I didn't want to chase it. We were already so high on the day. This up here, I think, tapped out around like 270%. I didn't want to jump in on a stock that's up 270% when in this market recently what we've maxed out at has been just around 250%, because that's usually what the top is, and as you could see, that's exactly what happened today. I was looking for this break above 153. I wanted to get it here for this U-shaped breakout pattern. I definitely would have got in right about here for the break of 153 and new high of day, but we did not get that. We had strong resistance here around 167 also, so I was looking to risk about 10 cents to possibly make around 20 to 30. So not too good of a risk reward ratio also, which is another reason why I didn't really want to get in. Just a lot of things didn't align for me for this stock. It was just up too much, and I didn't want to get in and out of FOMO. But as you can see, our volume has just been fading throughout the day, so most likely no more trades. But we are starting to curl back up into this bull pennant. So maybe some trades will happen. But look at these. Look at the tape down here. Some extreme. Oh, okay. So that was, as you guys just saw. That okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. All right. Well, now we are breaking through here. This is actually very surprising. So we are starting to make higher highs. We have broke past this previous high of around 142, but we are seeing some resistance here. If we can solid break, okay, so we have broke. Oh my God! Wow, the orders are coming in. So above 153, I am in long. Wow, this is looking strong. Look at this tape. I mean, just beautifully green. As you can see, we have tons of bidders coming on. Oh wow, it was just paused. Wow, that is insanity. Oh my God. Okay, so this will definitely be something that we're gonna have on watch, and that is for sure. Real quick, let's go over some other plays that I'm seeing. That's probably gonna be a 5 or 10 minute halt. So let's go over ATOS. As you could see, we were trading in between this channel here. I was looking for this channel break about 164. We did not get that. We sold off at market open. I did not like that. That was just a sign, super bearish, and I was looking for this break above. As you could see, we grinded higher and higher, but I didn't like the look of this trend here. We were just going up, and like it was just looking a little bit weird and too overextended for me to buy into. So I didn't want to take that risk. As you can see, we were really high on the RSI this whole time. No real fair value point. But yeah, I didn't really like this play that much. Showing what it did at market open, it just looked very bearish. But as you can see, we made some great moves, and I hope some of you guys were able to capitalize on that. UGAS, DGAS. I was actually really liking UGAS this morning. We were super oversold. And I think that's because not the natural gas report, but some report came out saying that there was probably warm weather, because I know when it says there's cold weather, I think that UGAS, that's in favor of UGAS. But when there is, did I just say cold weather? I hope I just said, well, to rephrase that, when it's cold and there is a forecast of cold weather, that's usually strong for UGAS. When it is warm or hot, the forecast, then that is usually strong for DGAS. So I guess we had some type of PR that came out saying that it might be warm weather forecast, but I'm not too sure, honestly. So I was looking at this, but as you can see, we are selling off hard right now. We're breaking into this bottom level of this RSI below 25. It might be a good dip buy opportunity here at lows of 132. We have really strong support here at around 133, 134 area. Yeah, we'll keep that on watch. But anyways, ASNS, no moves today. ADL, nothing. Age, nothing. Ojin, we started making some moves, and then we crashed. NBEV had some great news this morning. Very surprised that it did not go parabolic, but as you can see, we went parabolic pre-market, came down, and we flushed. So no trades there. MNGA, just a shit stock. I hate MNGA. Way too low. Look at the volume. I mean, it just gross. I would definitely not recommend trading MNGA. Just that's a scary play. Yeko, we had some China news, I think, last week. I was looking for some sympathy plays. This week, we kind of got a little bit, but nothing really that I really care about. CDTI, we had a great move this morning, and we topped out around 138, a strong resistance level, and then we just kept downtrending ever since. AETI, once again, it is halted. This is insanity. I'm very surprised at what's going on. I don't really know why necessarily. There is no news. It's just up a lot. I don't know why necessarily that this stock is up so much, but we may see a nice push. As you can see, we do have some strong resistance levels here, especially around 190s, and down here at 153, 154, we have a very strong resistance. So I don't know what we're going to see when this is unpaused, but I guess we'll find out. Wait, is it unpaused? No. Okay, my bad. But yeah, we'll just wait for that, I guess. But anyways, let's check out UGAS real quick. Yeah, so this was definitely probably a good dip buy opportunity down there near that support area. I was liking that down here. It's very oversold right now. But yeah, so I don't want to keep you guys waiting for this unhalt. I definitely want to see what happens, and I might make some plays with it. But yeah, well, that was the market recap, guys. As you can see, we are having some nice volume in the market, and that is awesome to see. I love seeing that. And look at this, this huge spike back to where we were seeking in, like, what is that, like 10:20, 10:30 at the beginning of the day. So, guys, good day, some good plays coming in. I hope that everyone was profitable today. I hope everyone was able to stay green. Oh. We're unhalted. Okay. Break of 153. I don't know if we're going to get it. Oh, yeah. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Uh, I don't know. It's just looking. It still hasn't broke that 153 resistance level, and it's looking a little bearish and weak. As you can see, I mean the tape. I don't know. Yeah, I mean this is definitely a very bearish candle here. We went green, now we're going red. Um, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be making any plays on that. I definitely could imagine that we might curl this back up though and go for a high of day, but we do have a strong resistance at 160s, 170s level, and that's not that much of a move. I don't know if that's worth it because I'd be risking almost 15 cents to literally make 15 cents. That's a terrible risk reward ratio. I could not imagine seeing this go any higher than 170. It's a very strong resistance level, and it truly, this is not that much of a parabolic runner. So I don't think I'm going to make any. Wow. So there are definitely some nice green tape coming in, but I don't think I'll be making any trades on this. As you guys could see, we struggled. We broke over 153, but we've been staying in that area around 153, 155. We broke. We made a new high of day. We had a nice red candle here, and we're seeming to make lower lows. We may see a nice continuation here to the upside, but I really don't think this is a multi-day runner. I don't think we'll be seeing highs of. I think we'll see max highs of 170, and the risk reward is not it. And by the way, if you want to have a good risk reward ratio, you at least want to be looking at a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. So you're risking 3 times the amount. I mean, you're risking. Okay, so you're trying to make 3 times the amount that you're going to be risking. So let's say you're risking 10 cents for a potential profit of 30 cents per share. So be careful with that, guys. But as you can see, we are making lower lows here. I don't like how this is looking. We are definitely making some nice tapes on the bid. As you can see, some beautiful green tape here, but I don't think we're going to be going into strength. I think we're going to be going into definitely some weakness here at around 155 level. Very strong resistance. So that's all for me today, guys. I hope everyone had a fantastic day. Once again, I hope everyone stayed green. And this was the Rookie Trader Market Recap. I'll definitely be making a new video tomorrow. I got all my stuff written down in my journal about what videos that I want to make next. Make sure to leave a suggestion down below in the comments section, or DM me on Instagram and Twitter. My handles are flying above on any suggestions or questions that you may have. I'm glad to answer them, and any suggestions you have for a video that you want to see, I'd love to make for you and love to make that happen. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As you guys can see, we are having some big red tape coming in, so definitely looking a little bit weak. So all right, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day. Make sure to stay green, lock in those profits. Make sure to have that trading plan, and stay consistent, guys. So have a fantastic day, and thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye now.